Hello, good morning, children. So, once again, I'm here. How are you, children? Fine? Hope so. Stay home, stay safe. So, today I'm here with poem number 4, class 6, The Quarrel by Eleanor Perzion. And the presentation is by Usha Sharma. Yes, children. Usually, you might have noticed the reasons for the quarrel at home between brother and brother, sister and sister, brother and sister. The reasons are very petty, very small, very mild. Like the brothers may have problem for the girls, for the sisters, that she sat on my chair, mama. Mama, she wore my jacket. Similarly, sisters may have complaint for their brothers. Oh, mama, he ate my chocolate. He took my pen. So this poem is also about one such mild cause which became so unpleasant that both brothers and sisters they realized their mistake and then they patched up. So it's a beautiful poem. Let's enjoy the poem. Now similarly in the poem, one day the poet quarreled with her brother for an unknown reason. Both said they were right. They began to hate, dislike each other. But that very afternoon, the brother admitted his mistake. Thus, they patched up and forgot their bitterness. So, the poem Quarrel is also about that kind of quarrel between brother and sister. Now, the poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So who is I here, children? I is the poet. I quarrel with my brother. Quarrel means fought. I quarrel with my brother. First form of quarreled is quarrel. Quarrel is the second form of quarrel. Fought, fight is the first form and second form past tense of fight is fought. With my brother. I don't know what about. The poet does not know the reason of the quarrel. One thing led to another. The quarrel grew, they were quarreling, and somehow we fell out. And then somehow something happened that the quarrel began, and they were quarreling. They started disliking each other. The start of it was slight. The poet admits that the start of the quarrel was slight. Slight means small. The reason was very petty, very small, mild. But the end of it was strong. End of it means the quarrel finally took a bad shape and they started hating and disliking each other for that quarrel, for that reason. He said he was right. Brother was saying, no, I'm right, you are wrong. I knew he was. The poet thinking that brother was. So anyhow, they quarreled with each other and they started disliking. So children, this is the first stanza of the poem. Now let us discuss some rhyming words. Okay, like you can see line number 1 brother, and then line number 3 another. So line number 1 is rhyming. Brother is rhyming with another. So let us mark them A. So brother A, another A. Now see line number 2 about, line number 4 fell out. So about and fell out both are rhyming. So about and fell out BB. Let us mark them BB. Now come to the 5th line slight and then come to the 7th line that is right. Slight is rhyming with right. So let us mark them CC. These two words are CC. Then let us come to the 6th line that is strong. Last word of 6th line is strong. And last word of 8th line is also wrong, rhyming with strong. So let us mark them DD. Now overall rhyme scheme of this stanza is A, B, C, D, C, D. Now the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." Now we hated. We hated. Who are we here? Brother and sister. We hated one another. They hated one another. So brother and sister. They hated one another. But what happened? The afternoon turned black. So because of that hatred, the afternoon turned black. That is, they started blaming each other for the fight. The afternoon became very unpleasant. Both were angry. Both were fighting with each other, and both were sitting in the opposite corners, okay, disliking each other. Then suddenly my brother, then the poet admits that suddenly my brother, something happened to her brother. He thumbed me on the back. Brother came, thumbed me, patting, okay, just doing like this. So patting me on the back, he came and he started patting the poet on her back and said, "Oh, come along. Just forget about the fight. And we can't go on all night. We cannot do like this. We cannot live like this, hating each other. Just let's forget about the fight. I was in the wrong." So poet also admits that she was wrong. She should not have fought with her brother. So he was in the right. He was in the right because he admits, he confessed that he was wrong. So it is very kind of him, the poet's brother, that he came and patched up the fight. So this is beautiful poem between a fight between a brother and a sister. Now same thing, let us do the rhyme scheme, discuss the rhyme scheme. Line number 1, another. Line number 3, brother. So another and brother are rhyming with each other. So AA. Black and bag, line number 2. Line number 4, last words, black and bag. Let us mark them as BB. Then along, wrong, let us mark them as CC. Then night and right, let us mark them as DD. Okay, so the rhyme scheme is A, B, C, D, just like stanza number 1 of the poem. Okay. Turned black children means became unpleasant. And thumbed means to patting. Okay. Now let us discuss the glossary. You should know about the meanings of the difficult words which have come across. Fell out, to quarrel. Turn black, spoil or become unpleasant. One thing led to another. That means it started with one thing and one after another a series of things happened. The start of it was light. It started with a very small matter. The end of it was strong. It ended up to be a bitter quarrel, very bad shaped one. The afternoon turned black. That means the afternoon became unpleasant due to the quarrel. Next, thumbed me on the back. That means patted on the back to come to be friendly. Beautiful poem, children. So, children, what have you learned from the poem? It is that we should not quarrel. We should try to be happy. A quarrel should not continue for long because it is always harmful for a relationship. It may create misunderstanding which may lead to an end of a good relation. It is preferable to find a solution and bring a quarrel to an end. The more we quarrel, the more we develop a grudge, hatred for the other party. Our relationship spoils with the passage of time. We should ignore petty issues, small issues, and look forward to strengthen our relationship. So, let's enjoy the poem by reciting along with. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right.